Hello and welcome to the Rick Steves Travel Talks YouTube channel. On this channel, we'll explore Europe and beyond, connect with our friends and fellow tour guides, learn from and hang out with Rick, and have a grand old time doing it. Thanks for joining us.
Rick Steves, the legendary travel expert, is known for his thoughtful TV show, his well-researched guidebooks, and dorky dad jokes. Since the 1980s, the Rick Steves Europe Company has produced guidebooks that are the source for travelers headed to Europe. In the past, we hosted free in-person travel classes here at the Edmonds Travel Center, but now they're available for you to access from anywhere in the world on our Rick Steves Travel Talks channel, a place where honest information, great guides, and travel skills come together to inform and equip you for your next European adventure.
It's important for our stability that we get out there, we travel, and we gain an empathy for the other 96% of humanity.
We've got bad, and then Germans got schlecht, right? How great is it? Sounds bad, right?
The other thing that's interesting about France is when you're really that technically adept, and when you have chefs that like to rise to a challenge, the French have a knack for turning inedible things into really delicious foods.
If you're a curious traveler wondering where to explore next, check out our Festival of Europe playlist, a collection of over 20 shows celebrating Europe's major regions and the cultural punches they pack. In this series, local guides from Ireland to Istanbul share their favorite sights, food, music, and more, while helping you brainstorm where your next trip will take you. Plus, relive the Festival of Europe grand finale, in which we invite you to join a Rick Steves Europe staff party and have an Amsterdam good time.
Hey, I'm rolling in here to the scene. This is my kind of Monday night.
Turkish coffee symbolizes friendship and hospitality for us. It's a social drink. We never drink Turkish coffee alone. We always need to have a company.
But the party doesn't stop there. On Monday nights, we host live virtual travel parties that bring together travelers from around the world. We enjoy evocative content and give ideas for upcoming trips. Our shows feature special guests that share the history, culture, and cuisine that their regions have to offer. And good news, all Monday night travel shows are cataloged on this channel, so you can enjoy them any night of the week.
The conversation and the whole thing was a beautiful package.
That's the way they do it in Cornwall. This is the way they do it in Devon. You see cream first, jam on top. They insist it tastes differently.
Helsinki really thrives in June and July when the warmer weather really starts to ramp up. Summer festivals are in full swing.
There is actually a fan language, which is actually quite interesting, you see.
If no one believes that you could actually beat me with the pillow fight, I'm clearly going to win here.
We hope you've enjoyed our look at the Rick Steves Travel Talks channel. Our goal is to inspire, inform, and equip travelers to have trips that are fun, affordable, and culturally broadening.
For more very good content, like, subscribe, and
Keep on traveling!